wasn't hard to tell that your eyes were following me. It was like we were under a spell, and anyone could see. We had to say goodbye before we had a chance to see what we held in our hands, what it could have been. Almost missed your flight. I'm not even gonna pretend I didn't try to slow you down, to postpone the end. Send me a text saying wish things were differently, but I'm already with someone. As for my sympathy, chased by the sun, feeling the tide rise. Your blood is my blood, your skin is my skin. Sister, my half, my twin. Sometimes I wanna go back. Just wanted you to know that. Seasons will change from sunshine to rain, but we will stay the same. Your pain is my pain, your win is my win. We will remain same. Sometimes I wanna go back. Just wanted you to know that. Every time throughout your life, I'm your soldier, your red light. Don't need to be so be there. When the walls come cracking down, I will meet you on the ground. Don't need to be love gets in, heart to heart, skin to skin. Oh, it's how love gets in. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Boy, where do we start? Hungry, 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 hungry. Do you feel me? Boy, where do we start? Hungry, 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 hungry. Do you feel me? I want your heartbeat. I want you for myself. 'Cause you're no one else's. So tell me you miss it. Or tell me just how it is that you're someone else's. First tell me you lovingly in your arms, then call her, tell her she is the one. Man, I'm not surprised. I really thought that you'd be different, but sure you don't got no feelings. Or maybe it's a fun for you, but baby I'll be gone for good. Hope you know when I go silent, I'm never going back to your face. It's only gonna cost for you, 'cause baby I'll be gone for good. I'll be gone for good. Was running in circles, 'cause you made me lose my way. Now I'm so ungrateful. I'm sure she will help you, 'cause no you can't help yourself. Goodbye, Mr. Painful. First help me loving thee in your arms, then call and say she is the one. No, I'm not surprised. I really thought that